start out your squad in your section. In front of you, you have a litter, you have a kettlebell, and you have a medicine ball. Every time you run a lap, all three of those will go with you. You will start this competition by conducting a memory event. After the memory event, you will run a lap. As a team, you will do 120 burpees, one person moving at a time. You will then run another lap. You will come back. You will clear, disassemble, and reassemble, and functions check the M240 and the M4. You will run another lap. When you get back, you will do 150 deadlifts as a team, one person moving at a time. You'll then run another lap. You will assemble and get a radio check on your ASIP, and then you will do 50 pull-ups as a team. You will run one final lap.
Hell yeah.
You will come back and you will receive a quiz. Take the next 15 minutes to stretch, cool down, recover. We're gonna grade all the quizzes, put the times together, and then we'll announce the winner.
You're getting better, all right? I loved it. I love being out here with you guys this morning, competing and getting after it.
Right, the goal of each of these is to continue to build that team. At the end of the day, everybody here is one team. Right, so today's competition, top three are all within 1 minute of each other. First place, time of 28:23. Second platoon.